Hi, and good morning. Today is September 13, 2023, and Wednesday morning. So we have a lot of rain coming in right now. Surrounding areas have reported flooding. So be careful if you're out and about, especially if you're in Cornwall and Avalon and Avon. Let's go full on weather, uh, like the experience in the UK. Toodles and good morning. I have exciting energy to share, and I'm so happy and so thrilled to blossom and expand and all the things like with family and clients and my community. It's so beautiful how it's coming together so beautifully. So, my name is Shannon Gorton, and I'm here to inspire, teach, guide, mentor abundant fun in having self-worth. Truly, truly loving myself and all my quirkiness and my passions and the things that drive me, fuel that warrior within to shine my light so that others can shine their light. And with that, we raise the vibration exponentially. Exponentially, that vibration ripples out in such high vibe positivity. That's the energy that quantum manifests that which you desire. When it feels good and you lean into it, you lose track of time, and beautiful things are being born actually in that co-creation of you being a shining light and doing what inspires you and brings your heart and soul joy, right? That causes you to illuminate and dance with the brilliant cosmos. That's why we're here, to choose the types of experiences that we bring into our life journey in this realm, this dimension, this physical plane of Mama Gaia, planet Earth. And I think it's beautiful to be alive, to know that you can think outside of the box, really just like think outside of the box and choose how you experience anything in your life. Your self-worth, like it's a process. If it's something that like for myself, I struggle with that. I kick that self-doubt, and then I've got, a little chatter in my head, or questioning my intuition and trusting my highest good and the highest good for all. And knowing what I know now that I didn't know not too long ago is that I get to choose how I have the experiences. So I can choose to skim the water. I can choose to swim. I can choose to snorkel. And I can choose to scuba. Or I can choose to experience a completely different experience altogether. So I ask you, what does your amazing high vibe life and business look like for you? What does that feel like for you? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? How do you dance with what you've brought in? Right? So, like, think on that a moment. Like, great journal prompt, you write it down and explore. Like, if my self-worth was no issue, what experiences would I be experiencing? What do those look like? What do those feel like? What do they smell like? What do they taste like? How do I dance to those experiences? So again, my name is Shannon Gorton. I invite you to sign up for my newsletter, find out about workshops and events, work with me, and truly shift the trajectory of your life journey. I look forward to meeting you, and we'll chat soon. Ciao for now.